Hey there. So you just took that self-assessment, and I'm guessing some of you are looking at your scores thinking, okay, I need to work on this networking thing. Or maybe I'm pretty good at online job boards, but what about everything else? That's exactly where you should be right now, knowing what you're good at and what needs work. Here's the thing about job searching that nobody really tells you. It's not about being perfect at everything. It's about being strategic. Whether you're heading into an internship, jumping straight into the workforce after your CTE program, or continuing your education, you need to know this stuff. I've seen students with incredible hands-on skills, kids who can wire a house perfectly, diagnose car problems like pros, or create amazing graphic designs, but they struggle to land that first opportunity because they don't know how to market themselves. Don't let that be you. Most of you probably scored somewhere in the middle on using online job platforms, and that's totally normal. But here's what you need to know. Those generic sites like Indeed are just the starting point. If you're in health sciences, there are specialized sites like Health eCareers. Construction students should know about iHire Construction. IT students check out Dice. These industry-specific platforms, that's where the real opportunities hide. And LinkedIn isn't just for people in suits. I've seen welding students get contacted by employers because they posted videos of their projects. A cosmetology student landed her dream salon job because the owner saw her work on Instagram. Your hands-on skills are your biggest advantage. Show them off. Now, about networking, and I know that word makes some of you want to hide, but it's not about being fake or pushy. Your automotive instructor, who worked at dealerships before teaching, they have connections at every shop in town. That classmate whose mom works at the hospital you want to intern at, that's networking too. Here's your elevator pitch formula. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm finishing up the dental assisting program, and I'm looking for a clinical externship where I can put my chairside skills to work. 30 seconds max. Practice it until it feels natural. Here's something most students don't realize. About 70% of jobs never get posted online. That local HVAC company you drive by every day, they might need an apprentice but haven't posted it anywhere yet. Walk in, introduce yourself, ask about opportunities, make it personal. Let's talk about your social media. I know you're thinking, great, now my TikTok can mess up my job chances. But flip that thinking. Your social media can actually get you hired. That engine rebuild you documented for automotive class? Post it. The client makeover you did in cosmetology? Show it off. The website you built in it? Share the process. You don't need millions of followers, you need the right people to see your work. Clean up those old posts, sure, but more importantly, use your profiles to showcase what you can do. Here's what I wish someone had told me. Job searching is a skill, just like everything else you're learning in your program. Some of you will be naturals at talking to people but struggle with online applications. Others will crush the research game but freeze up at career fairs. That's completely okay. Play to your strengths while you work on your weaknesses. And here's the most important part. Start now. Not when you graduate, but now. Set up that LinkedIn profile tonight. Research 3 companies you'd love to work for. Introduce yourself to one professional in your field this week. So looking back at your assessment scores, pick one area where you scored low and commit to working on it this week. If networking felt scary, start with your instructors. They want to help you succeed. If you've been sending generic applications everywhere, pick one company and write them something personal. The job market is competitive, but you have something most high school students don't: real, hands-on experience and industry-specific skills. Your dream job isn't going to find you, but with the right strategy, you're definitely going to find it. The game starts now. Are you ready to play?